Welcome back to the channel, Jeremy, A-Lug Productions. Today we are working in the garage again, finally. I don't know about you guys, but I love garage days. Today though, garage day is on the Volvo. I've got some stuff coming for Pigpen over there. I'll give you a preview of it, or a little sneak peek of it right here. But today we're putting new struts on this thing. I don't know if you can tell, but the front sag's really bad. So the goal is to new struts in the front, see if we can get that thing back up. I've measured the front to where it's showing the wheel well is 25¼ inches from the ground. So we're gonna put some new struts on there, see how much it actually raises it up. I think that will help the quality of the ride, along with this thing does not turn real well. All right, let's get this job started. So to begin with, we are going to take off, or actually we're just going to break these three nuts here loose. That will allow the strut to lower down. Once we get the sway bar link undone, once you get these two nuts here off, there's two bolts that come out. So get the sway bar link nut off, these two nuts here off. We have already loosened those three up, and then this will just drop right out. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Right out. That is the old one. This is the new one. And this goes in just the opposite of the way you took that one out. All right, so we are done doing the struts. That really was an pretty easy job. Let's see, let's do a tool. See what all tools we used. Let's start with this one. 13mm socket for the upper strut nuts to get it off the top here. 18mm is for the sway bar link nut. 21mm is for the lower strut nuts. So then I had to use a 15mm to get the lower sway bar link off. 18mm for the sway bar link. A 19mm for the other side of the lower strut bolts. Or actually the strut head, bolt head. The nut was a 21mm. Alright, so here's the moment of truth. We're gonna let the car down. Measure the height of the fenders. Oh wow, I can already tell it's like 6 inches higher. So those things are going to have to settle because that thing is way up there, to almost to the point where I think I'm going to have to replace the ones in the rear, because we're Carolina squatting this bad boy. Let me grab a tape measure. So earlier I measured this out to 25.25, which is right here. We gained, what, 3.5 inches on the front. Whew. So with that, we're gonna go ahead and close this video out. It's a super easy job to do. Single car garage, 2-car garage. Hell, you could probably even do this. I know you could do it in your driveway. It's not a bad job that you couldn't even do on the side of the road if need be. So save yourself some money, learn how to do it yourself, and you'll be happier in the long run, because now you'll have a better understanding of what's going on with your vehicle and know that you have the confidence to fix it. Genuinely, so I am words are hard today.